Okay guys, I'm here with a new video. Now I'm going to show you how to repair this decoder. There is no sound effect. Remove the old cables. Okay, then remove the screw. Okay, other one. Okay, remove the plate. Pull it out. This is the circuit. There's a 2 heat sink. Don't worry. It's I placed to observe heat. There is a black wire. You can see it. This is a capacitor, and there is a transistor. You should place this wire like this. Okay. I placed this earlier. Okay, set it back. Okay, set the plate. Set the screw.
කල්පනාවකින් හිතට ලං වේලා දුන්හීනේ තනිවී එදාමා.
Okay, now let's connect the cables.
නිහඬ කල්පනාවකින්
Optically.
ලං වේලා දුන්හීනේ තනිවී එදාමා. කඳුළු රුරනා තරම්
Auxiliary.
වෙලා නෙකින් ඇඟුණාද ලඳුනේ එදා.
Send out subwoofer. Be careful when you connect this wire, because if you set it wrong, it will not affect the best quality of your decoder. Something like left and right. Okay, noise warning. Let's check it out. Okay, let's see other text. Rear speaker record.
Oye, oye, oye,